Alright, here's the task of what I need you guys to do today. So, quick video, I'm going to show you I need you to implement a code inside of several themes that code has already been implemented. So, I have about a good 25, 30, maybe even 40 stores that I need you to drop some code in for me. All of these stores have a liquid error code, and I have a new code to update the websites with. So I'm recording the video and I'm going to show you how to do it. And it's two stores that I want to make sure that you do not log in and do not change the code. So here's the second page here. I'm going to scroll next to the right. I'm on the third page. The two stores not to go inside of is Koolestuniversityever and Sculpt. Koolestuniversityever, do not go in this store, and do not go into Sculpt Fitness. So make sure you don't drop the code in those stores, because you will completely mess up the stores. Alright, everything else, I want you to go into all these stores on the first 3 to 4 pages, all the way until you get to the store named, the last store I want you to do. The last store I want you to do is actually, you know what? Last store I want you to do is, let's see, maybe Shop Iconics Glam. We're going to see. And this may be the last store. Alright, so it's a liquid code error that I'm looking for. Alright, so this store isn't complete. Alright, so don't worry about that store. Alright, so I want you to go all the way up until you do Prime Fitness. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to drop a code in the store that has the wrong code. So boom, we're going to go into something like Lily Cosmetics. Inside of Lily Cosmetics, if I click, no, maybe not this one because I didn't completely do this one. I'm going to show you a store that's done, because you can see the code error. So if it says transfer pending, don't worry about doing this store, because you won't be able to get into it because it's transfer pending. So I'm going to go into a store that I've done. So like this one right here, Raquel Rashad, right? I'm going to click her website and show you the error. So if I go here and I go to an actual product, you see this code error right here? Liquid error sections Yapo liquid line 13. That's an issue. That's a code error. So I have to update the code. So I'm going to log into her website by clicking log in. Alright, I guess it's taking a little bit longer, so I'm just going to refresh because it looks like it got froze or something. Alright. I don't know if I got too many things up at once. Alright. See these codes, see these errors? Have it in all the websites. Alright, so I'm going to try to log into the site again. And it's showing me a white screen. I'm not sure. I'm going to click edit home page. Maybe it'll let me go. Still nothing. Alright, so I'm going to try to log into a different store. Alright, so let's say everything must be pink. Let's log into this store. Alright, so I'm logged in. I'm going to select online store. That's the first option to select, online store. Now you select online store, the theme get pulled up to the right. Right, so here's the current theme with the code error in it. So I need you to first upload the new theme to the store. choose the file. I'm going to email you the new theme. You click upload. All right, so it takes about a minute to upload to the Shopify. So it thinks about it, and then it uploads. Now, here's the trick. Once you upload this theme and you drop the code into the theme, for some reason it takes another 10 minutes for it to register through Shopify. So my advice is to go ahead and put the code and a bunch of different themes, and then you go back over the stores and make those stores active. So you're going to go to actions and publish it. If I try to publish it now, most likely the screen is going to freeze and not work. So I'm not going to publish it now. But here's the part. Here's the part that you need to really watch. You select actions on the active theme. Right? This is the active theme. This is the theme that I want uploaded. But I have to grab all of the information out of this theme and drop it in a new one. So I go to edit code. Scroll all the way down to where it says config in the code. Select config, and I select settings data JSON, not schemas, settings data JSON. All right, watch this part closely. It's extremely important that you watch this. If you're messing up and it doesn't look right, that's probably because you did this part wrong. So all you got to do is grab everything inside of these two brackets, the number one bracket and the last final bracket. You have to grab everything within inside of that bracket. Do not grab the first bracket. Do not grab the last bracket. So I'm going to grab here. Boom. It doesn't matter where I click at right here. None of this matters. As long as I grab everything here. Grab it. If you have a mouse, it's easy to pull down. I'm just using my screen on my laptop. All right, and I'm pulling it down. And I grabbed all the way to the bottom, but I want to make sure that I come up one. Boom. And I want to copy all of this information. Copy. All right. I want to copy that. Copy all the information. All right. So it looks like I copied the last bracket, which I would have messed up. All right. So make sure you don't copy this. So now I'm going to come from the bottom. Sometimes it's easier to come from the bottom to the top. You come from the bottom. Boom. And then pull up. Then pull it down. And I'm going to copy. Oh, I did it right. So when you press copy, it highlights everything as if you copied everything, but you really only copied what's in the brackets. So I did it right the first time. So then you want to go down to the new theme, click actions also, edit code, scroll down to settings config, settings data JSON, highlight everything inside of the brackets, pull up one, and then paste the new code in. Paste it and hit save. Alright, so it's saved. So I'm going to try to go ahead and publish this and see if it works. Sometimes it works immediately, sometimes it doesn't, and it freezes on you. So I'm going to go actions and I'm going to publish. Let me see what it does. Publish. Oh, okay, so it went through. So sometimes it allows you to publish it. Could be just my computer doing that. So it's faster if you can just publish it right then and there. So try that, you guys. If you're noticing that the screen is freezing, then go ahead and finish like 10 or 15 stores and then come back and then publish 10 or 15 stores. So I'm going to do one more store just to show you for good measure. Boom. I've already done bundles by Priya. Let me do Pink Village. So log in. Boom. Alright, so I messed this stuff up, store up earlier. So it looks kind of jacked up right here. I messed it up. So I'm going to delete this one. And I'm just going to upload a brand new one. Upload. It's the Shopmaster 2. Upload. put you on hold for a second. Alright, so jumping back into the video, I jumped out of the other store. We're going to jump in another store. So we're going to jump into Lovely Lee Cosmetics, and I'm going to do this drop in one more time. I'm going to log in, online store. Current store is right here, right? We're going to drop this in, upload. We're going to upload the new theme. Alright, so I am naming this InstaShop. Was already named InstaShop. Alright, I use two S's for whatever reason. Well, I did that, so you don't worry about this. Alright, so that's loading. I just gotta wait on this to load so I can drop the right theme in here. I'm just gonna see if she's done anything yet. If she's done some design stuff, I'm gonna make sure I want everything that she's done to drop over into the new store. But she hasn't done anything yet. She just put this little logo up there. Home, contact us. Welcome to Lovely Lashes. I'm just gonna, I'm honestly, because she hasn't, the store hasn't done anything, and she's just put this here. For video purposes, I'm going to still show you how to do this part. So edit code, config, settings data JSON. You want to grab everything that's in between the two brackets, pull it down, copy it, Control C, or copy from your computer. You go to the new themes, select actions, select edit code. Scroll all the way down, go to config, settings data JSON. You highlight all the code that's in the new one, delete everything here, keep the two brackets, delete it, and then you drop the new one in. Make sure you do not erase those top two brackets. I mean the top one and the bottom one. So asset save. Don't worry about this error here. It has nothing to do with you. Hit online store. Now I'm going to try to publish this and see if it allows me to publish it or if it freezes. We'll click publish. Publish. Alright, and it worked just fine, folks. So, boom. The new one worked. InstaShop 9.5 worked. So I can actually delete this or I can keep that here. It doesn't matter. You can decide what you want to do. So I'll just remove that. Alright, so that's how you do it. That's what I'm going to need you guys to do. So I've done Bundles by Priya, Pink Village, and Lovely Lee Cosmetics. You're going to start at Shop Lovely Lashes. Alright, that's the end of the video. All the way up until you get to Prime Fitness. Keep going. I think it's the third page.